G'day, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Mazda CX-7 Luxury Sports, stock reference number 5406. This shape runs from the 11th month 2006 through to the 2nd month 2012. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic all drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the left front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door. Left rear door has 3 small dents, left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has 3 small dents, right hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 2 small dents, right front door has 3 small dents, right power door mirror and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with tan leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, aftermarket Pioneer touchscreen media player, display cluster, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunroof type, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.